Hi guys, good morning. Happy Friday. So your only assignment for today is to complete a quiz. So I'm not going to go through the typical slideshow. I'm actually going to go on my Canvas page, which you're seeing right now, and we're going to talk about getting to assignments you haven't finished. So yesterday morning, I sent out a message on Class Dojo to parents, and then I reminded anyone who came to the Google Meet about missing assignments from this week. I had a lot of questions that I want to answer now so that you know how to go back and get to assignments. This is the same way that I've talked about in the past, but I want to make sure that we all understand what I'm saying. So the first question that I've gotten a lot is I sent out a message yesterday about missing social studies assignments, and instead I was getting people who were trying to complete science assignments. We aren't working on science this week. There are no science assignments to turn in this week, and the science assignments from last week closed. So those are done. If we're working on social studies and I'm sending you reminders about missing assignments, I'm only talking about that week. This week we're in. Okay? We're not going back to another week. If we do that, we will never get caught up. Okay? Now, if you are missing an assignment, if you got a message or if when you looked you didn't have everything turned in, if you click on this red bar that tells you what we're working on, it brings up lists of assignments. So I'm not logged into my teacher account right now. I'm logged into a student's account. So you'll notice there's the list for Monday. It's the agenda with a video explaining the reading and then the reading check, what actually needs to be turned in. Okay. Same here. Agenda, the reading, a reading check. Agenda and the project that needs to be turned in. Agenda, the reading, a reading check. It's the same pattern every day. But you need to go in and make sure that you have everything turned in. Last week, I did not take any grades. I am going to be taking some grades this week. You want to make sure that you have these things completed. Okay, so take the quiz, take your time, do your very best, and then once you are done, go back through and make sure that you have your assignments done for this week. They close this coming up Monday at 8 a.m. Also on Monday at 8 a.m., the new week's assignment will open up. So we will stop social studies at 8 a.m. Monday, and at 8:01 we will start science. Okay? Like I said, take your time and then go back and check. Have a great weekend.